Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, assistant teacher of science, National Ideal English Version School, Deshik. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student based on chapter 11. The name of the chapter is Weather and Climate. So let us move forward to this topic. The name of the chapter 11 is Weather and Climate, and these two words is known to us because in our previous classes science book we also learn about the weather and climate. Weather affects how you dress and what to do. That means now it's too hot weather, so we are wearing light cotton dress and this is so comfortable, and when it is winter it is too cold, and that time we wear sweater, jacket and warm clothes. That's why they are saying what the weather affect how you dress and what to do, and using the experience or climate we can decide when we have to cultivate which crops. Dear students, this is the map of our weather condition and map of our country, and you will follow this, and you have to draw also in this map in your BGS subject. Now the question arises here, relationship between weather and climate. The question is, how do you use weather forecast? And if you heard the news of weather forecast, they said how many degrees Celsius today's temperature in Dhaka, Chittagong, Sylhet, Rajshahi, Rangpur, Khulna, Barishal and Chattogram. And by hearing this we can easily understand there is hot or cold or there will be rain. Then according to the weather forecast we will decide what to do that day. So come to next page. The weather. The definition of the weather is the temporary state of sky and the atmosphere at a certain place, and this is a temporary state because weather can change within a 5 minutes or 10 minutes within a moment, and that's why it is known as the temporary states, and therefore weather is different in different places and at different time of a day. That means in the morning we feel cold, in the noon when it is sun arises on our head, that time we feel hot, and from the afternoon in the evening we also again feel some cold. Now we can use weather forecast in order to decide what to wear and what to do on the weekend, or not only the weekend, on every day we have to decide according to the weather what we will wear and what to do. Now come to the climate. Climate is the change of usual weather pattern, changes of the usual weather pattern in a certain area. Now come to the definition of the climate. Climate can also be described as the average weather condition of a certain area for a long period of time. That means the definition of climate is the average weather condition of a certain area for a long period of time. This long period of time not only 1 or 2 years, this long period of time means 25 to 30 years. That means it is really a long period of time, average weather condition. Again I am repeating the years, 25 to 30 years. Therefore we can predict daily weather based on the experience and knowledge of climate on your place. However, our personal prediction may be not always correct. That is because weather is changing all the time. Weather and climate are not the same, though there is a close relation between them. Weather is the condition of sky and the atmosphere of the place for a short time, and climate is the general condition of weather of a place for many years. Not, I am saying again, this many years is 25 to 30 years. Now climatology, the rainy season of Bangladesh starts in the middle of the June, beginning of Ashar and ends in August, Shravan and Bhadra. And with Shravan and Bhadra, then up to Bhadra month there will be rain. The onset date of monsoon rain changes every year, and however we do know the probable time when the rainy season starts from our experience about the climate. Now come to the air pressure and wind. Air pressure is the force produced by the weight of the air pressing down on the earth's surface. This is the definition of air pressure. Wind blows from high pressure to low pressure area. Now question arises here, what makes high and low pressure of air? Now come to the answer of this question. Sand surface become warmer than water after the placing under the sunlight. That means the land will getting warmer than the water, or sand will be getting warmer than the water. Also sand surface cools down fast under the shade, and besides this, on this experiment we can conclude that land or sand heats up and cools up faster than water. That means land heats up also faster and cools up also faster, but water heats up slowly and it also cools up also slowly. Low pressure and high pressure. During the daytime, land become warmer than the water, and the warmer land warms the air above. That air that warmed become lighter than the surrounding air, so it rises up. As a result, low pressure developed over the land. That means when the air warm up and it becomes light, it fly away or it rises up, that there low pressure develops. And on the other hand, air over the ocean is cooler and heavier, so it shrinks, and then high pressure developed over the ocean. And the wind blows from high pressure to low pressure area in order to replace the rising warm up air by cold air. At night, the land is cooler than the ocean, and therefore high pressure develops over the land and low pressure develops over the ocean. And all in the Bangladesh, again I am saying here, the wind blows from high pressure area to low pressure area, and that's why at night the wind blows from the ocean to the land, and at night the wind blows from the land area to the ocean area. Now in Bangladesh we experience southwest monsoon wind during rainy season and northeast monsoon wind during winter season, as shown below. In rainy season, that is June to August, the land of Bangladesh is warmer than the Bay of Bengal. Look, this is summer shows, but it shows the rainy season. The land is warmer than the Bay of Bengal. That's why from the wind, this is the high pressure area, and in the land this is the low pressure area. We know always wind blows from the high pressure area to the low pressure area. That's why wind from the Bay of Bengal come to our country, and that wind carry a lot of humidity, and because of that humidity there in our country there is heavy rainfall, and that's why in monsoon we see a heavy rainfall in our country. Now come to the winter. In winter season, that is December to February, the land is cooler than Bay of Bengal. This seasonal temperature contrast of the land and ocean developed high pressure and low pressure system, and it produced the monsoon wind system. Look, in the winter the land is cooler than the Bay of Bengal. That's why on the land there is high pressure area, and on the Bay of Bengal there is low pressure area. We know always wind blows from the high pressure area to the low pressure area. That's why in winter the wind blows from the land to the Bay of Bengal. We know on land there is no water vapor in the air, on the land air, land wind there is no water vapor. That's why because of the winter monsoon wind there will be no rainfall, and because of the humidity of Bay of Bengal's wind in the monsoon there will be, or in the winter rainy season and summer there will be more rainfall in our country. Dear student, this is your homework. Homework number 9. You have to make 5 fill in the blanks from this part of your chapter. Dear students, I have finished the first part of the chapter. Read the chapter properly. This is too important chapter because this chapter lingers in the next chapters too. Also, we will learn the next chapter which is related to this chapter. Read the chapter and make the SW, submit it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.